happy this second anniversary to this new second sequel of the new characters. Woody MinionFan1024 third full-length film, Woody Woodpecker Racing to Mission to China. It was a new adventure, but the story continues. Since the first one was already out in 2015. And yeah. So I decided to make a sequel. So when the story continues with a new adventure and new worlds and new villains and new spies and new heroes. So this movie was released on Chinese New Year 2016. So yep, that's the one I planned it. It's a long time ago. And I make new characters and new worlds. Was inspired from the real world. And so the comments and subscribe, and happy this second year anniversary to the new adventure continued sequel, Woody Woodpecker Racing to Mission to China. This is MinionFan1024 signing off.